In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have an animated Steam profile. By the end, your profile will have eye-catching motion that shows up across Steam, making your presence stand out wherever people see your avatar. First, open Steam. Once it loads, look to the top right and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, choose View My Profile. This brings you to your public profile page, where you can see how everything currently looks. Next, click Edit Profile. This is the central place for changing visuals, like your avatar and other display options, and we'll come back here to apply what you purchase. Now, head to the Steam Points shop. You'll find it in Steam's main navigation, and it opens a curated store of cosmetic items you can buy with Steam Points. Steam Points are a virtual currency you accumulate from purchases on Steam, and they're used only for cosmetic customizations like these. Inside the Points shop, navigate to Avatars or Avatar Frames. Avatars replace your current profile picture with an animated one, while Avatar Frames add a moving border around whatever avatar you are already using. Animated items are clearly marked and will preview their motion so you can see the effect before you commit. Pick the animated avatar or frame you like and purchase it using your available points. After you've purchased your item, return to Edit Profile and open the Avatar section. From here, select your new animated avatar or apply the animated frame you just picked up. Once it's equipped, Steam applies the effect across your profile, your friends list, chat, and other areas where your avatar appears. If you have both an animated avatar and an animated frame, they can complement each other nicely, but even adding just one goes a long way toward making your profile feel alive. While you are browsing the Points shop, you can also look at animated mini profile backgrounds. These appear on the small hover card that pops up when someone places their cursor over your username. It's a subtle but stylish touch that helps your identity carry through even in quick interactions. You'll see motion in the preview so you can get a feel for how it will look in that compact space. That's it. Thanks for watching.